What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to remove the front door panel on a 2005 Honda Civic. Like I said, this is a 2005 Civic here, but it will be the same on a few different years. We're going to be looking at the driver's door, but the front passenger door will be similar as well. And this particular Civic has power windows. If you have manual windows, the setup will be a little different. But the first thing we need to do is remove a couple pieces of trim. So we see this piece right here. And most of these, I'm just gonna use my fingers to remove, but you may need to get a screwdriver or a trim tool to help you. But get your fingers on there and pull that out, set it to the side. Now we're gonna remove this piece right here. Like that. Then you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. And if we look on our door handle, there's this little panel right here that if you get it on at the top, that'll pull off like that. And now that we have those off, there's 4 Phillips head screws that we need to remove. There's 2 in that door handle where we just took that panel out. And then the other 2 are gonna be right here, where I'm touching with the screwdriver, and right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 4 screws, and then I'll check back in the next shot. So I just took out those 4 screws that we looked at in the previous shot. Now we want to come down here and unhook this harness for the power windows. How you're gonna do that is press this tab that you see my thumb on, and then that'll pull out like that. And if we come up here and take a look at the handle for the door, and this will kind of come out, and the first thing we want to unhook is the rod for the door right there. How we want to do that is, and you may need to use a screwdriver, but this plastic piece, you need to push it off first like that and swing it out of the way, and then that rod can pick straight up. And then once you do that, we just need to unhook the connector that's on that, and that's done by pressing this tab here, and that'll slide out like that. And now we're ready to pull the door panel off. I'm going to be using this trim tool to take this panel off. This is ideal. If you don't have something like this available, you can use a flathead screwdriver. You're just going to want to be careful because obviously we're prying against plastic here. So there's a bunch of clips all around this panel on the edge that hold it on. So what we're going to do is just start on the bottom. I'm just going to start popping them out. And once you get it started, you can probably just use your hands rather than a tool. But just work your way around. And then once all those panels are popped, it'll just come up like that, up and off. And I'll just show you here if any, none of these did, but if any of your, these clips come out, fall off, you'll just want to slide them back on like that before you put it back together. But that's it. To get it back on, you'll just reverse everything we just did. It's pretty simple, really. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.